Hello everyone, Books Note Air 4C versus Kindle Scribe. Which one takes the lead? Let's compare spaces, features, and performance to help you choose the best e-note device. Display feature screen size 10.3 inches of Books Note Air 4C, 10.2 inches of Kindle Scribe. Resolution 2480 into 1860 pixel 300 in ppi of Books Note Air 4C and 1830 into 2460 pixel 300 in ppi of Kindle Scribe. Color capacity color e-ink Kaleido 3 of Books Note Air 4C and monochrome only in Kindle Scribe. Front light yes, adjustable warm and cold light in Books Note Air 4C. Yes, adjustable with warm light in Kindle Scribe. Dark mode, no in 4C and yes in Kindle Scribe. Hardware feature processor octa-core Snapdragon 750G in Books Note Air 4C and in Kindle Scribe 1 GHz MediaTek. RAM 6 GB in 4C and 2 GB in Kindle Scribe. Storage options 64 GB expandable via micro SD up to 1 TB in Books Note Air 4C, 16 GB, 32 GB or 64 GB in Kindle Scribe. Battery life up to several weeks in 4C and up to 12 weeks in Kindle Scribe. Weight approximately 420 gram in 4C and approximately 433 gram of Kindle Scribe. Connectivity feature Wi-Fi yes in 4C and yes in Kindle Scribe. Bluetooth yes, in both 4C and Kindle Scribe. USB port USB-C in Books Note Air 4C and in Kindle Scribe 2. Stylus support feature stylus type Books Pen Plus no buttons or eraser in 4C and basic pen included premium pen available with eraser and button in Kindle Scribe. Pressure sensitivity yes supports various brush types in Books Note Air 4C and yes limited brush options in Kindle Scribe. Software features feature operating system Android 13 in Books Note Air 4C and Kindle operating system in Kindle Scribe. App support Google Play Store access. Kindle Scribe limited to Amazon ecosystem. Handwritten co-version yes in 4C and yes in Kindle Scribe.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.